Knock, knock, knock on the gates of hell. Ah, la, 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 la. There's no rest for the wicked heart when you can't deny what you really want. Got a fire in my blood that can burn the sun, and I'm not afraid 'cause I die for love. Tick, tick, tock, and now it's time to get back what I've left behind. I know that there's a sacrifice, and I'm ready to pay the price.
I will specify, since a lot of these swatches aren't really showing up too well on camera, that where the first one is being done with a brush stroke where I swish around the brush 3 times in the eyeshadow, versus the second one being done with 2 swishes of my finger. Finger swatches tend to look a little bit better because it's going to be more oil based, but just so you guys know ahead of time, that is how I've done it with all of these. Plus, in addition, you know, swatches don't really tell a story of anything that's going on with the eyeshadow, so it's basically just how they play out instead. You're gonna make fun of me if I start talking to my camera.
Yep.
So as my transition shade, I'm coming in with Sandal from Makeup Geek, which I don't even know if it's an actual shade anymore because of the whole like relaunch that she did, but that's the first one that I'm coming out with. But continuing on, next shade up is Sweet 16. A little further down, I'm going to be using Batty Bat. On the outer corner, I'm using Unholy Union.
Knock, knock, knock on the gates of hell. Ah, la, 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 la.
song's gonna get stuck in my head, and I hate you for it. I hate you. It's so catchy.
I know. That's the song I'm doing.
You're doing that? Like,
not the entire thing, but this look. This came out with the palette.
The song?
Yeah. It's
Oh.
Sabrina.
Well, I kind of figured that.
The whole story behind this is the fact that, it's a very long story, but to make it a short story is this. And so this whole next season is her and her friends going to hell to save her boyfriend. Like, the last sentence of season 2 was her being like, so who wants to come to hell to help me save my boyfriend? Like, that would not be the first thing that I would ask people to do for me. I don't know what lip color to do. I think I'm gonna do Monte Carlo.